We go to open house, we have a lot of important meetings, we need to make sure that we are ready to go. And I know we're a little rusty, really haven't been talking to customers too much, so why don't we cover some RV lingo to make sure that we're good to go.
Let's do it.
Can anybody tell me what RV stands for?
Oh, I know. It's retail vehicle. The sales directors are always telling me they have all these sold RVs, so it has to be retail vehicle.
When we added it to our name a few years ago, Campers Inn RV, because we want to retail a lot of vehicles, so that makes sense.
You guys are really close. Road, vessel.
That makes sense too.
Road, vessel.
Yeah, they call it the road. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
perfect. You guys tell me fifth wheel. We talked about travel trailers earlier, right? Why do they call it fifth wheel?
It has 5 wheels.
That's it. Has 5 wheels.
But which side is the fifth wheel on?
Depends on the manufacturer.
Okay. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. Hitch weight. Can you explain what that is?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know this one. I'm pretty sure it's like the weight that is on the hitch that goes on the back of the truck or whatnot. How would you do it?
Again, super close. It's the actual weight of the hitch itself.
That makes more sense, actually.
So generally
The
speaking,
heavier, the better?
that's it.
Oh, okay. All right. That's why it's so fun to talk about that. Okay.
Actual weight of hitch.
We talk about it all the time.
Yes, it's very important. And for safety too. Dry camping. A lot of our customers do that.
Yeah.
So like camping where it doesn't rain, like in the desert?
I actually think it's more like camping in dry counties where you're not supposed to be drinking because it's a family activity.
That makes sense. You're taking your family.
That's it. No alcohol. In certain parts of the country, you are right. It doesn't rain in Arizona very much.
So they have dry camping.
That's it. Double dry. You're right.
Here we
Dry
go.
times 2. All right. How about a fully enclosed underbelly?
So I know this one because, you know, some of the resorts definitely don't want you to expose your belly. So they ask you to wear like shirts and not expose your belly, and it's fully enclosed at those camping resorts.
Like a big t-shirt.
Yeah.
It's the same thing when you go to a store and they say no shirt, no shoes, no service.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Can't be showing your belly.
Keep your belly tucked away. All right, guys, that was pretty good. I think we're ready for open house.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it.